Okay guys, Hurrican Zoie at it again. This would be baby powder. Trailing. And the little thief herself stealing baby powder. The dog and baby footprints. This is Zoe's room. This is the lovely mess that Zoe decided to make. Yeah. Zoe, what'd you do? What's this on the floor? It's feet? Why'd you give Mom this powder? What's in the tent? Oh, it's all in the tent? Did you go in Mama's room and steal the powder? Did you go in the bathroom and steal almonds? Oh look, she's doing it again.
Zoe, you have powder on your head.
She was seeing the booger I picked out of her nose.
Keep the video going.
Oh, I got it going.
Hey, look.
Zoe, what'd you do? Did you make it snow in the house?
Hey, who's gonna clean that mess up?
Are you gonna sweep it up? Let's go get the broom.
Who's gonna clean this up?
Zoe.
Is Zoe gonna clean it up? Huh?
You should shake your head no.
Zoe, are you gonna clean up the messy?
No. Yes, you are. Let's go get the broom. Zoe, can you go get the broom from Mama in Mama's room? Alright, let's go clean the mess. I didn't say get the money. Get the broom and sweep.
Let me give pictures.
Hold on, I'm sure. No, it's not you sweep. Get the broom. This one, Jane. No, where's the broom? You know the broom. It's right there. Get the broom. It's right there. On the floor. Get the sweep. Here you go. Clean up your mess. Here, sweep, sweep. Look. She's not even doing it. I wanted her to do it. Okay. You gonna sweep? Okay, you do. Okay. Thank you. Say welcome. Alright. Mama will do it. Thank you.